In front of me is OPPO Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and select or create a chat. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner and select Files section to add an audio file. Then tap on Audio at the top. Select one of those apps to find your file or click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. Either way, after finding your file, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you want to add a video file, click on Gallery section instead of Files. Tap on your video if it's recent, or if it's not, select Folders, look for it here and click on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!